In this video, I'll show you how to buy Telegram stars on Split. First, you need to connect your Ton wallet. I'm using my Telegram wallet, so I'll open it. Split wants to connect to Ton Space. Click Connect. Now Split is connected to Ton Space. Next, go over here and click Buy Premium and Stars. As you can see, you can purchase either Telegram Premium or Telegram Stars. I'm going to click Gift Stars to User. Here you need to input your Telegram username or the username of any Telegram user you want. You can paste it in any format. Just copy it from Telegram and paste it here. Split will find the Telegram user and display their username. Now, type the amount of Telegram stars you want to buy. You'll see the total price in dollars displayed. Click Buy Telegram Stars. For 100 Telegram stars, I need to pay 0.22 ton plus an additional 0.0044 ton. A 2% split fee. I would consider this 2% commission a fee for skipping verification, which is required when using Fragment. Additionally, there is a common ton network fee of 0.003 ton. Click Confirm. The transaction is sent. Now wait about a minute for the stars to appear in your Telegram account. Let's check this. I'll open Telegram. As you can see, I have received 100 stars. You can also find them in your Telegram settings. Go to My Stars, and here is my new gift of 100 Telegram stars. To sum up, previously, you could only use Fragment to buy Telegram stars. However, Fragment now requires verification. If you don't want to pass verification, Split is a great alternative. The link is in the description down below. Subscribe if you found this information useful. Thanks for watching.